Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with few recipes that are quick and tasty too. So first will be the pizza spring roll and the next will be the mutton kebab. Also I'll be sharing a quick samosa with the same filling I used in the pizza spring rolls. So firstly we'll be preparing a quick pizza sauce for the pizza spring rolls. Also I'll be sharing the whole recipe of the pizza sauce. So firstly into a pan we'll be adding a tablespoonful of butter. Next goes in 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped. Saute them well and next we'll be adding half onion chopped. So next here we'll be boiling tomatoes. Now actually here I took 2 tomatoes, so you should have boiled both, but I just wanted some of the tomato chunks to be there in the pizza sauce. So I boiled just 1 tomato, cut it into an eggs so that you can peel it off easily, and just chop another tomato and add it to the pan. Here's the boiled tomato done. We'll peel it and then grind it into a smooth paste, and then we'll be adding to the pan. Mix them all very well, and here goes the masala. So we are just using the red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon. Next goes in a teaspoonful of sugar, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Next goes in some salt and a tablespoonful of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Mix them all well, and finally goes in a tablespoonful of butter, and here's your pizza sauce done. Start preparing the filling for the pizza spring roll. So here I'm just sauteing the chicken with some salt and pepper powder and a little bit of butter in it. I have took just 1 chicken breast, that's around 250 grams of chicken. So here goes salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix them all well. Next goes in 1 to 2 tablespoons of prepared pizza sauce. Saute them well till the sauce in the chicken becomes dry. Next into the same pan add tablespoon of butter and some veggies. Here I have took half an onion, 1 carrot sliced and half a capsicum sliced. Next goes in some salt and pepper. Here's your veggies tossed. Next adding the tossed veggies into a separate bowl, and next we'll be adding chicken to it. Them both well, and next goes in 5 to 6 tablespoons of prepared pizza sauce. Add in some salt if needed. Next goes in 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Now this was a 200-gram packet, so added half of it. Mix them all well, and here's your pizza spring roll filling ready. Next, moving on to the spring roll sheets. So as you all can see, the spring roll sheets is from Swiss. Here I have took one spring roll sheet, spread it on a flat surface, and then add a tablespoonful of the filling. Fold one corner first and then the rest too, and make an envelope. So after making the envelope, roll once and then spread the maida paste and then stick the edge. Rolling out the rest of the sheets too. All the spring rolls are done now. We'll just fry them out. The oil is hot enough. Keep the flame on medium low and then start frying. As the filling is completely cooked, so we have to just fry out the sheets. Here are the pizza spring rolls done. Frying out the rest of the rolls too. Same pan, fried out the leftover chicken egg kebabs. This video is already in my channel. Do check out, there's the link in description box. So hope you all like the recipe. Do try it down and do let me know in the comment section below. So next we are moving on to the mutton kebab recipe. So let's see the ingredients. Actually I'm showing the raw ingredients first. So here's some coriander and mint leaves, half a lemon, ginger garlic paste, few green chilies, around 250 grams of boneless mutton, and few cashews soaked in water to make cashew paste. And that's the onion paste. I'll be just draining out the water from it, and we'll be adding just the thick paste of onion. Next, into a food processor, I'm mincing out the mutton first. Now if you want, you can also use your mixer grinder, normal one. Here's the mutton minced well. Next goes in the onion paste and the cashew paste too. Then goes in the leaves. Add just one green chili and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half a lemon. Also add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a little bit of salt and grind them out. Does everything grind out well. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and a quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Also add in half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of thick cream. Now this is completely optional as we are preparing the Reshmi kebab, so just plan to add the cream too. And also we'll be adding a tablespoonful of butter. goes in a tablespoon full of corn flour and also a quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Again, grind them out well. So here's our Reshmi kebab masala done. Transferring it to a separate bowl. Next, here I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now if you don't have breadcrumbs, you can just add breads, or instead you can add chickpea flour, but I just felt to add breadcrumbs. Next goes in quarter teaspoon of pepper powder too. Now again, mix them all well. Next, moving on to the rolling of kebabs. Here I have took oil in a separate bowl and spread it all over my palm. And next we'll be taking a big ball size mince, and then we'll be rolling them out. Make it even thinner, and if you want to give a seek kebab effect, you can just press with your fingers, and here's the shape done. So here I have rolled out the kebabs. Now this straight away goes into the freezer. Now it would be better if you freeze it for minimum half an hour so that it holds shape while frying. So next here I am showing an instant samosa filling. So that's the same filling I used for the pizza spring rolls. So just added 2 more tablespoons of pizza sauce and 3 to 4 tablespoons of garlic mayonnaise. If you don't have garlic mayonnaise, you can just simply add the normal mayonnaise, and mix them all well, and here's your samosa filling done. Made the pizza rolls the day before, so just store the leftover masala into the freezer. Also I added a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder here and mix them well. Next here I'm making out the samosas. So this is the sweet samosa sheets that comes in an airtight box, and that's very convenient to use too. And let's start folding the samosas. Just add a tablespoon of the samosa filling and just fold them out. You can check out my other videos too of samosas. So here's the samosas done too. I'm showing an instant muskmelon juice that's inspired from the Pappu Juice Wala from Mumbai. That's the viral video on YouTube. So here I added the muskmelon, some milk, cashew nut paste, thick cream, and next goes in some sugar too. Now the exact proportion will be in the description box. Do check out the description box for the ingredients too. And also I didn't add the condensed milk as I didn't want it to make it much heavier. Finally drizzling some honey into the jar and then adding the juice to it. Topping with some sliced almonds, and here's your muskmelon shake ready. Do try it out. So moving back to the kebabs, so into the pan added some oil. So now we are going to shallow fry them on a very low flame. So first turn the flame on high so that the oil gets hot enough, and then start adding the kebabs and fry it on a very low flame so that the mutton gets cooked completely from the inside too. Keep flipping from all the sides. The color may turn much darker, but as you have to cook the mutton completely, so the color doesn't matter here. So here's the Reshmi kebab done, taking them out on a tissue paper. Frying out the rest of the kebabs too. Also meanwhile fried out the samosas on the other side. And the kebabs are done too. So hope you all like the recipes. Do try out for sure and let me know in the comment section below. That's the yummy mutton kebab served with the green chutney. The link is in description box for the green chutney too. And that's our yummy pizza samosa. Also in this holy month of Ramadan, do remember us in your prayers too. And if you like the videos and the recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum.